Hello everybody, this is the second episode on how to build a website with Typo3 from scratch to finish. Now, as we can see here in this extension folder, it's empty because it's freshly installed project and we didn't install any extension. So in order to develop a fully functional website in Typo3, we need to install these 5 essential extensions. Here from the extensions tab, we're gonna go here and select get extensions. So we're gonna search them one by one and install them. The first extension I'm gonna install is Flux. We go here, search, and this extension key is unique in the repository. So we click the Flux form, and I'm going to choose a version which does not require PHP 7. I'll go with 7.4. We wait a bit until it's installed and we'll move to the next one. Okay, I guess this is done. Go back. Okay, now I'm gonna search for the second one, which is VHS. Go. And as the other one, I'm gonna choose a version. Click on it. And let's see now which version I'm gonna get. Usually there are ones from the 2016, which don't require PHP 7. Download it. Okay. Let's see, it's installed. Go back again. We have 3 more. Now this one is gonna be fluid pages in order to use the pages Typo3 provides for us. Okay, search for it, fluid pages. Let's type this in, fluid pages. I have it saved in here. Go. Okay, choose a version like before. Okay, let's just go with 3.6. Okay, this one's done too. Now, similar to this, only that this one is used for content elements. It's called fluid content. Let's just search for it in here. Fluid content, yeah. Go. This is the first one. Click on it. The compatible version is 4.4, I guess, from 2016. Click on to download and install it. Okay, done. So the last one from these essentials is gonna be the builder. So this builder is gonna be used to create our own extension, which is gonna contain our pages and our HTML elements. So we search for it. Okay, now as we see, the builder hasn't been updated since 2016, so I'll just get the latest one they have. Okay, wait for it till it gets installed, and we do a fully refresh on the page, and we have this builder tab here, which is added from the builder extension. So let's click on it, and we're gonna need to create our own extension. Go to the select box, and we're gonna have this build provider. Put a name for your extension. I'll just, my vendor name is gonna be Sheriffs. I just use that. Okay, we have this, and our extension is gonna call Essentials, which is gonna contain all of our content. Leave this box empty, and let's just put the same name. These are all okay except this one. So uncheck that because we actually want to build files, and click Create Provider Extension. So that was quick, and now we're ready to install our extension we just created because it doesn't get installed automatically. So we just go to the installed extensions and we're gonna activate it. Let's just see. Here it is. This is our extension we just created. So just activate it. Simple as that. We wait for a bit. Okay, that is now installed. And we can check to the project here in the Sublime Text. And we can see our extension folder now is full with our installed extensions. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, put a ring on it, put a like on it, sorry. And if you have any questions or anything, comment in the comment section, and I'll try to be as much responsive as I can to your questions. So see you guys in the next episode.